the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside. And I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Man, what's good, man? Welcome to another episode of the Market Rundown, man. And I'm your host, Apollo, man. And this episode 8, man. Let's make some noise for that again, man. Man, I hope y'all enjoying your Sunday, man. And you know, this is the Sports Center for the Market, where every Sunday we run down the biggest moves, news, setups we got cooking up for y'all for the week, which includes forex, stocks, and crypto, man. So look, if you new here, this your first time, man, welcome, man. Make sure you leave a like, drop a comment, man. Let us know where you from, man. And you know what I'm saying, man. Let's get into it, man. You know, we glad to have you here, man. And this episode 8, man, we climbing, man. We got 2 more to episode 10, man. But you know, we finna get into it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed your week. Hope y'all done had a lot of good stuff going on, man. Hope y'all been winning some trades. Hope your portfolio green. You know what I mean? And I hope you're staying positive. You know what I mean? Saying your affirmations, staying to it, man. So with that being said, I ain't gonna hold y'all up too much today, but we got a dope episode for y'all, man. We're gonna go and get into it, man. Let's go. Let me share the screen for y'all right quick, man. Let's go. Man, I'm doing good this morning, man. I ain't gonna even lie to you, man. The tea got me feeling on 1,000. Man, and you notice I always got my tea with me on before I do the show, man. It get the energy flowing, they get everything good and going, man. So I'm screen sharing. As you know, like I say, man, this is the Market Rundown, man. And you know, this is the Sports Center for the Market, man. When we running down what's going on, man. You know, let me play the intro for you, man. Run that back one more time. You know what I'm saying? I'm a trader, man. I ain't no basketball player, man. I can't show y'all all the skill, man. You know what I'm saying? But let's get to it, man. So this week, man, as you can see, man, this Forex Factory, for all my people that's new, man, you know Forex Factory is where we check out to see what's the tempo for the week, man. You know, they let you know as far as currency for my Forex traders out there, man. You know, we let you know basically what's the temperature and what's the upcoming news events we got for the week. For example, Monday we got Chinese, you know, that's Sunday we got Chinese one, which is today at 9 o'clock. You know, we got some orange folders. Orange folders mean that we got some good stuff coming up, you know, like it can move the market for whatever pairs you trade. And then also we got Australian dollar with the cash rate monetary policy statement, and also the RBA rate statement. My bad. And then Tuesday we got CPI for the Canadian dollar. We got the CPI median and trim. Got the consumer price index for GBP right here, the Great British Pound. So really what I'm saying is, like, man, we got some news really for like the euro and Australian dollar this week, man. They got some stuff coming up, man. We got a lot of little red and orange folders. And Thursday, you know, as far as the dollar concerned, we got unemployment claims. So we can look forward to Thursday to see what type of movement we're going to have for the week. You know, last week, man, it was cap. I ain't going to lie to you, man. Last Thursday, I thought CPI, PPI were going to move the market, man. It ain't really do too much, man. So, man, y'all let me know that, man, because lately, man, I've been seeing people saying, and I'm feeling the same way, like, man, for my traders out there, do you feel like U.S. session is trading the same right now, man? Leave a comment, let me know if you think that is that the right session to be trading right now, or should we be focusing on London session, which is like 1 to 11 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Like I think they end at 11, and then U.S. session start at 7:30, 8:30, and goes to 3 o'clock. Then you got Asian session, which starts from like 7 p.m. and goes to like 3 p.m. So man, let me know in the comments what's y'all favorite trading session, if y'all got one or you just trade your setups or whatnot. So stay tuned in for this week, because we got the euro, the Canadian dollar, and Australian dollar. So for example, like if you trade AU, I would definitely be looking like tomorrow night news to see what's gonna be moving. I'm gonna be checking that out as well, because like a week or two we cashed out on Australian AU, Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Man, we won some good trades off of them, and they done went back to the next level to retest the resistant level we got going on. So we're gonna see if that news gonna go ahead and push it down, which I've been anticipating. And as far as the CAD, a pair that I can give you for that far as would be CJ, the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. So like if you trade CJ, you may see some movement with this going along, and euro. As far as the euro, that could be the euro USD or the euro versus the Japanese yen. So I'm looking to see some movement out of like AU, CJ, AJ, GJ, all of those type of EU, like euro versus the dollar, like them the pairs I see gonna get some movement this week. Cause we got the pound, US dollar, the euro, and the Australian dollar. So stay tuned into that, and let me know if y'all use Forex Factory as far as like to see like what setups you got for the week, man. Cause we definitely using that. That's a good tool to use. So moving forward, man, we got FX Street, which we use to get to see better sentiment. We use FX Street to get better sentiment, to see what's going on for the week. As you can see, they got EU, which I was saying a while ago. So I may be looking at EU. I may pull that up to see what they got. They say optimism coming to the US dollar. Then GU, for matter of fact. I'll wait till we get to that part. But I'm gonna come back to this later once I get into the rundown, when we look at the charts to show you like the correlation of the EU and like GU, like what I was saying in GJ. And then they also saying gold bearish action gathers steam after the US-China trade deal. So yep, they've been selling. So they was bullish, but they've been selling a little bit. The last month, as you can see, they bearish or whatnot. So US dollar trade enthusiasm throws a lifeline. So if you, like I say, if you want to use these websites, make sure you use them to help you out with your trades, man, to give you a little fundamental data to go along with the technicals, man. Because like right here, cryptocurrency, they talking about Bitcoin stabilized near 103 and raising institutional demand. So Ethereum price forecast resume buying after intense profit taking. So Ethereum been on a run. It went from like 15 to like 25. You know what I mean? So definitely use this to check out what's going on. What I just seen something else about Bitcoin. Hold on. Unless they move it. Okay, right here. So stuff like that. Like they saying Bitcoin is setting up for a rally for 131 155K. So basically right now Bitcoin at like 103. So that's a lot of more profit. So let me know if y'all bought the dip when Bitcoin dropped down to like 80,000, 79,000, man. Let me know if y'all up on Bitcoin, and we're gonna keep it moving. Next up we got, you already know what time it is, the fear and greed index, and right now we looking real greedy. We went all the way from extreme fear from 4 on the chart all the way to 71, man. So that's real. But that's real crazy, man. I ain't gonna even lie to you. They've been printing money. So if you bought the dip, let me know if you up right now, man. We definitely got some on the dip. Our portfolio definitely green right now, man. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all bought on the dip. And also, as you can tell, we getting very close to extreme greed right here. Like we 75, we 4 points away from extreme greed. And as you could tell, like I was telling you on past episodes, once we got up on the hill, that we was kind of fearful. And now as soon as we started to get back up above this 125 moving average, you could tell that we done got into the greed area. Like folks been buying. So let me know what kind of moves y'all taking advantage of. If y'all still fearful or greedy out there. And to move along is, for my stock people out there, man, this the earning whispers for to let you know what stocks and what companies report for the week. As you see, we got like companies like BJ, Zoom, Snowflake, Deckers, Ralph Lauren, um, BBVA, um, who else they got on? 8x8, Home Depot, Zim. We invested in Zim. That's a shipping company over there by it in the Middle East. What else they got? Copart. So TD Bank, TD Ameritrade. You know what I'm saying? Ross for less. So man, we got some good brands reporting this week, man. Palo Alto report this week, man. So let me know if y'all invested in any of these companies or not, man. What else they got over here? Zoom. That's another one, man. That's another big one. I like Zoom, man. We got Advanced Auto Parts on the list too, man. So make sure y'all let me know what companies y'all into if y'all out here let me know if y'all out here swinging or y'all scalping doing this type of environment right now, cause it's been up and down. Like the trading environment been real volatile lately. So let me know like what y'all on. Like is y'all still scalping out there, or did y'all trade more into intraday, or y'all swinging doing this environment, this Trump environment right now? Make sure y'all let me know what's going on. And to keep things moving, we got Yahoo Finance right here. What I wanted to show y'all about Yahoo today, man, we got Coinbase to join the S&P 500, which Wall Street. It show you what Wall Street thinks about crypto, and I'm gonna tell you what I think about it. As you know, Bitcoin been rising. Coinbase is like one of the top holders of Bitcoin. So as long as Bitcoin growing and people optimistic, Coinbase gonna keep going through the roof. Whether you using Coinbase as a long-term investment, or if you using it as or you using it to trade. It's bullish both ways, whether you trading it or not. And we invested in Coinbase as well, man. We like to print our Coinbase. And let me see what else we got on here for y'all. Another one, this the other one I seen. They just dropped this 49 minutes ago. And size Tesla sinking sales all over the world, man. So if y'all messing with Tesla, let me know if y'all believe in Tesla. They saying April sales by the numbers, demand weakness continues. Saying like they ain't been making the same sales they've been doing. Like you see, they dropped 336,000 far as deliveries, a drop of 13% versus a year ago, missing an estimate of 390,000 units. It was Tesla's worst quarter for delivery since the second quarter of 2022. So the concern for Tesla bulls is that sales continue to drop. April sales figures are coming in and they are not looking good. So that's why, as you can tell, Tesla been dipping right now, and a lot of people are trading Tesla and shorting it. So that's real good, because I know my put players out there on Tesla, they out there praying, man. You know what I'm saying? They going crazy, man. So let me know if y'all invested in Tesla out there, and to keep things moving, man. We still got investing.com, and I use them to let me tell like what's the street calls of the week, what they use. So just to give you a more of a Wall Street analysis of what they looking at. As you can see, they still got Coinbase on there. Like Coinbase got a lot of optimism right now, man, with a price target of 195. So make sure you check this out if you want to see what they got for as what they taking away, what they plays for the week on Coinbase. And I mess with Coinbase. Coinbase super good, man. I'm long-term bullish on Coinbase because I feel like they the number one crypto out. You know what I'm saying? So speaking of crypto, we're gonna get right into it with coin market cap. As we got Bitcoin still holding number one, worth of 2 trillion right now. We still got Ethereum holding 2,500. XRP still holding the number 4. Binance number 5, which is another crypto platform. We got Solana, Dogecoin still top 10. Cardano, I like them. Chainlink, Avalanche, XLM, Shiba Inu. So them are my coins that I like out of all of them. So let me know what coins y'all like, man. And it seems like we still sitting in the same position far as last week. I don't see nothing that really moved up. I don't see nothing else that done moved into the top 20 yet. So, use it. This is a website called Coin Market Cap that you can use to track all the cryptos, to tell you crucial information like price, the changes in the last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, the market cap, which means how much the crypto is worth. And then it shows you the trade volume, like how many people trading in the circulating supply. So, you know, this is another resource to use for your crypto. And then this is another crypto tool that we use to look at, like far as crypto bubbles. It shows you a quick synopsis of who's up and who's down concerning crypto. So if you don't know what type of crypto you want to invest, this is a good tool to look at to see who's up and who's down on like the month, the week, and the yearly. See, this month you can see the crypto been printing. We got a bull market. These the top coins that's up this green right now. And then as you look for the past week, it's been red a little bit, like it's been pulling back some. And you can see who down for the most part for the last week if you want to get a sale. You know what I mean? Like if you're looking for sales, this is what you want to use to look at and see who's down for the last week, month, or year, or whatever, the day, or whoever you want to look at. As far as today, crypto up, Doge up 8%, Ivy up 6%, Pep up 12%, Floki up 10%, V-Chain up 3%, ADA up 2%. So, you know, this is a good tool to capitalize off of that. And with that being said, man, you know, we possibly got a good time to really get back into crypto, because I feel like a altcoin season approaching. So I feel like the altcoins are alternative coins beside Bitcoin like these. You know, I feel like they finna get ready to get they run. Since Ethereum finally woke up, they let me know that alt season is coming real soon. So man, if you got some altcoins, let me know what y'all holding, man, and what y'all bullish on. You know, we're gonna get into the next segment, man. You know, I know y'all were looking for it. As you can see, this the dividend portfolio. As you know, we the dividend guys. So if you want to learn how to invest with the guys, man, make sure you hit the link in the bio, man. Join the app. You know what I'm saying? The community where we drop and give a game. We got free game, man. We got a free Discord and we got a paid Discord where you can get an upgrade to the guide list to show you like the top 15 stocks that we investing in and give you diversity. And we rotate 5 out every month so you can get like good clarity on what dividend stocks pays, like they what time they pay, like if they pay monthly, quarterly, or weekly, or annually, and price targets and all type of stuff, man. So make sure you jump in and get that. As you can tell, man, now we sitting at 93 monthly, man. Man, we praying, man. You know what I'm saying? Last week we was at 87, so we still pushing the needle, man. We almost about to clock that 100, man. And daily we done got up to $3 now on the daily. That was up. You know what I'm saying? Like, add it up. You know what I'm saying? Add it up. Yeah. Add it up, man. So that's the yield on cost. We sitting on 89%, and the annual yield is 110%, man. And right now, as far as the annual dividend goal, we sitting at 1%, man. It's getting closer to 100%, man. Taking it step at a time, man. And if you want to know like the tools we using, like the app that does this, track your dividends and all that, man, join the Discord and make sure you get what you need, man. Because as far as the free version, we give you like a free dividend stock. We show you our monthly overview, something like this, what this doing right here with this show. We give you a monthly overview. We give you a free dividend stock, man, and we got a good community in there. And then on the paid version, you get access to our portfolio weekly. We send out weekly snapshots of what we invested, what we recently bought. You see what we up on, you see what we down on, man. You know, we're 100% transparent. So, man, make sure you join the community, man. $25 a month, you get access to the guide list. That's the premium Discord for the dividend guys, man. And then we also got the free 99 from the people who ain't ready to invest in themselves yet, man. So if you just still want to learn the game for free, that's why we got it for free, man. And hopefully y'all can capitalize off of that, man. And you know, man, the goal is we trying to get this portfolio to 10,000 a month, man. You know what I'm saying? Which is 120,000 annually. You feel me? So we on our way, man. We praying, as you already know, man.
Go ahead, do what you do, make it work for you. Go ahead, do what you do, make it work for you.
Make it work for you, man. And then let's get into what y'all here for, man. We know y'all here for the rundown, man. Let's get to it. So today, man, look, check this out. So, as you know me, this is Trading View. If you're new here, this is Trading View, what we use to mark up the technical analysis to forecast if we think price gonna buy or sell. So right now, as you can see, Bitcoin, I told you it dropped. The lowest it dropped to was like 74,000, and that was in April the 8th. And since April the 8th, price went all the way up to 106, 105, 106 since April in the month. So price done shot up over like 25,000 in a month. So crypto being real bullish. As you can see, we starting to get back into the sector where we're beginning to get overbought. And a lot of times when we get overbought and we get to certain areas and points, you can anticipate like a pullback. You know what I mean? So, far as Bitcoin, from a traders out there, yeah, which as you can see, this is a resistance level up here. If it doesn't pass or break 106, man, I'm anticipating price to come back down and retest 100 or possibly retest and break below this and come back down to this level right here around about like 98,000, which I still got my alerts for. So this past really the month of May, price been consolidated. It's been trading sideways. It'll dip down to 100, come up to 105, come back down to 100, and come back up. As you can see, we at 105 again, so you possibly can take this right back down again. But we react to the market. So we don't try to forecast and tell the market what it's going to do because we don't control the market. We react to it. So if price breaks above 105, man, we're going to be looking to see price continue to go up, which will look something like this. Break above this, and then come down here to retest this level, then possibly go all the way back up. So that's what we can see if we're looking for a buy. But if, like I say, if it breaks below, we can anticipate price to come down here probably toward the retest this area down here around 98,000. And if you trading, that's a lot of big moves, man. That's a lot of big money, whether you scalp, intraday, or swing, man. So this is what the rundown for, man, to give you scenarios and setups, whether you scalp, intraday, or swing trade. So make sure y'all take advantage of that, man. As you can tell, price done hit the 120 level on my Fibonacci for Bitcoin, which means, if you want to learn more about what the technicals mean on my charts and stuff like that, you can get your mentorship or what you call consultation, which I offer 30-minute, 1 hour, and 2 hour, where we can dive deep and I can teach you the game and the sauce to get you running real fast, man. VIP line, man. You know what I'm talking about? So we're going to look into US 30 for the week. So US 30 looking the same way. You know what I mean? These correlations I'm noticing that a lot of them done accumulated so fast in a short amount of time since April. It's just been over, getting to the point where it's overbought. So I'm anticipating some pullback. So I'm anticipating like we're going to end up seeing a sale soon on Bitcoin and US 30 and NAS, because NAS do the same thing. Like US 30 and NAS got the same tempo. As you can see, is overbought. So this indicator right here that I'm looking at right here is called the RSI, which is the relative strength index. And the relative strength index, it just gives you signals of if price is overbought or oversold. So if price is overbought, you can look to take sales. If it's oversold, you can look to take buys. Just a quick game to drop some gems on you so you can start taking advantage of moves to get, you know what I mean? Because once you get the technical analysis, you want to start using like EMAs and other indicators to give you more confirmations to show that price is finna buy or sell. So like I said, with NAS, I'm anticipating the same thing. It could either break above here. We look to the left. We had a high at 21 right up here. So and our end right here at 21.4. So we're gonna set an alert right here. 21.450. So if we looking for price to break above this, we can look for buys to keep going up. We can possibly go up here to 22,000. Don't mind my chart. Like if you don't understand all, it's just Fibonacci, and we on the 4-hour time frame, so that's cool though. But this is just a rundown to give you a scenario as far as price buying or selling. So I can anticipate price, especially if price break below 21.41. I definitely see price coming down here to test this 20,000 again, which is over $1,000 move right here. So man, if you looking for sales, man, you could definitely take it down that way. And like I said, if you looking for buys, it's gonna be going up to 22,000. So price is literally locked in the middle. So we react to the market. We let the market tell us what it's gonna do. So we ain't looking for no sales if price start to break above this. But if it breaks below 21,000, we'll be looking for sales. If it break above 21.6, we'll be looking for buys. So make sure y'all take advantage of that. And then S&P 500, kind of the same scenario. Like, they got the same correlation. They got the same heartbeat. And I ain't got the field. Thought I had the field drawn on here. But let me draw it on here for y'all to show y'all what that look like. So I could draw this here to here. And as you can see, we sitting at the same level, which I call the fire zone, man. So we looking to see if we going to break above this or we're gonna break below 5,008 right here. So give you a little clarity to zoom in, you might not be able to see that. So you could get a little bit of a picture. So this was a recent high, this is a recent low. So we got price locked in right between here. So if price breaks below here, we can be looking for sales to come down and retest this wick. And if price keeps going, go to the left, we can anticipate price to push up to this level like 59, possibly like 6,000. For real. But you know, we react to the market, man. You know what I'm saying? Do your own research and make sure you know you are taking the best setups and take it step at a step, like step by step. Don't rush it. Don't try to tell the market what it's gonna do. Let it tell you the story. You know what I mean? And then we got gold. So far as gold, oh yeah, y'all probably can't see that. I was actually trading gold this week. We want to trade on gold this week too, like 2 of them. So let me delete this. I was showing a scenario. I think that was from last week. And see, if I go into the 5-minute, man, we got into some scalps this past week. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. So this market, the way it's been, man, we've been doing intraday and scalps, man, as you can see, man. So as you can see, price came up here, we caught the sell to come down, and price came up here to give us another entry, and it kind of still been going up. So now I'm anticipating probably gold to come back up to retest this level up here and probably catch a sell. And if price breaks below 31.91, I'm anticipating price to come back to retest 31.66. So them the both scenarios for the buy and the sell I see for gold. So like, man, if you looking at buys, man, you could be looking to take gold to 32.11, which is cool. It could probably break past it, but you know that's the setup, man. That's a $10 move, and depending on what you betting, like if you're using a 1 lot, that's $1,000. Using a 5 lot, that's $5,000. So depending on what you betting, you can take advantage of, but you got more to gain on the sale. But it's all about taking advantage of your style or what type of way you trade. There ain't no right or wrong to trading. You can trade however you want. It's just a matter of identifying what you want out the market and how fast. For me, I'm a scalper / intraday trader. Like I don't show up every day trying to scalp, but my bread and butter intraday. But I've been getting into scalping because of the market being so volatile. It's been providing a lot of moves. So that's what we see on gold. And I said I was gonna get into GJ too. So as you can see with GJ, let me get out the 4 hour. Go back. I'm in the 5 minute. Get back to the 4 hour. So as you can see, last week I told you we was looking for sales. As you can see, that played out beautifully, man. Like if you took the sale, like which we did, we made some money out. GJ, man, that move went over 300 points, man. So you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? We were printing out GJ, man. So what I'm anticipating is this, man. So I'm gonna react to the market again. I'm gonna give y'all a real setup this go around. So 193 in here. If we draw the field, we can see the price impulsed up here to this and came there. So there's 2 scenarios. Now, if price doesn't break below 193, if it don't break below 193 and we get another 4 hour flat candle, which looks like that, a flat bottom, you can anticipate to take price back up here to at least like 95, like for sure. You could definitely take price up here. That's why I got an alert set right there too. And I'm gonna set one right here to let me know if it breaks above this. But if it don't break above this area up here, we can look to take sales all the way back down this way, like 192.50 or 190.180, somewhere around here. Possibly back down to this demand zone right here. Either right here, I'll play it safe and have a trailing stop loss, but either right here at 191.8, or you could possibly take it down here to like 190 something. So GJ got a lot of good little it's in the perfect zone because as you can tell, it broke then retested. So we can anticipate price to keep continuing this uptrend to this supply zone. But at the same time, we don't control the market. So the market does what it wants to. So we want to be prepared for both buy and sell scenarios. So like I said, for the sale, we could pay and go back contention to this fib on the left right here. So if this don't go above this and break below we can look for price to come down and come back down this way, which would look something like this. Like it'll probably shoot back down from here, probably touch this, come back up, retrace that, and come back down to this level right there. Shit, I ain't trying to do that. You get what I'm saying? So that's the move we possibly can see for that, man. And EJ, I said I was gonna touch on EJ too because they had the euro. So as you can see, EU been trading, EJ been trading sideways, literally. Like it's been support and resist. It's been resisting at like 164, 165, and then it ain't broke below 154. But as you can tell, we still uptrending a little bit right here, and it seemed like it kind of just broke. So let me see. I didn't mark up EJ yet. I ain't had that plan, but I'm just looking at it live for y'all because of the news, trying to see y'all, trying to give y'all another scenario. So it's clearly still uptrending. So if we was to draw the fib here, put this here, price done retrace back to the 88 level, which is the hot zone. If price reject and don't break below this, we can anticipate EJ to come back up to the 23 level to like 164. But if price breaks below this level under here, we can anticipate to take price back down to like 161, which would be like another 100 points. So depending on what you buy, what lot size you use, that's a lot to capitalize off of. So, but I'm anticipating this to play out because this field plays this out from when it retraced to the fire zone and accumulated. So it accumulated all the way there, but also, so I'm anticipating this to come back and test to play this out to hit the negative 61.8. So we're looking at buys, but at the same time, if price want to sell, we know we could take it down for a quick intraday setup all the way down here to like 160, 158, man. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoyed the episode, the rundown, man. I hope y'all ready to get this money, print this money. I hope y'all ready to learn and get to it, man. As you know, we got the Discord, Top Flight Trading. You know what I'm saying? It's a free Discord community where you can join. You can get a community with other like-minded traders. You can see they trades. We live trade. Got a gaming community in everything, man. You can live trade, game, chat with other folks, chat with us. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, there's a lot of good stuff going on. And we got a new announcement coming up for Top Flight Trading too. So stay tuned for that. And also, make sure you join the dividend guys, man, if you want to invest with the guys. And investing is really like it's either left and right hand, man. If you don't really want to get into the trading and all that, man, step into the investing and let your money work for you. You know what I mean? This is another way, a tool to use to create passive income to where you can retire your 9 to 5, man. You know what I'm saying? That 9 to 5 costing you too much to be doing that, man. So with the setup and the plan we got, man, you can actually change your life with the dividend guys within 2 to 3 years, man. It ain't overnight, but it's literally over a year, a couple of years, you'll change your life, man, in your situation. Whether you are working 9 to 5, whether you just want to make extra income, or if you want to invest for your kids where they can have some money when they grow up to leave behind generational wealth, because that's what the rich do. You know what I'm saying? They all in the stock market, man. So even if you're in the streets, man, you're in the streets and you watching this, man, look, you something happen to you get locked up, your money still making money for you, and you got something to come home to, and you ain't got to depend on nobody or wait for nobody. Or you can get your commissary through your dividends. You can have somebody like, hey man, withdraw this, send me my dividend because I need this money. You know what I mean? So just make sure y'all taking advantage. This for everybody. If you older, like, you know what I mean, and you feeling like I'm too old to invest, it's never too old, you can start investing, in which can be your extra money for retirement, because inflation continues to rise and go up. So this is for all ages. And then if you a kid, man, like if you in high school, middle school, you watching this or you hearing about this, invest, man, because you got the power to take the full advantage because you got time on your side. So by the time you 20, 30, you should be printing money where you don't have to work and you get your time back, man, because that's what it's for, man. We do this show to inform you that you can get your time and money back to get your freedom back, man, because working 40 hours a week, 50, 60 hours a week, man, that ain't life just working, man. We ain't here just to work our whole life, man. That's a part of it. Now, you have to work. You don't work, you don't eat, you don't grind, you don't shine. That's for sure. But I don't think you here to work your whole life, man. You get what I'm saying? So they don't. You know what I'm saying? What got me on it, just to give you a quick gem. I seen Warren Buffett was making like 100, 400 million quarterly off of Apple as far as dividends, and they dividend ain't nothing but 0.5%, man. That's a penny, like 0.05%, which is horrible. But it get grow, but it showed me like how much you can make off the power of dividends and whatnot. So man, that inspired me. So I was like, man, if he making 100 million, 400 million every quarter, every month, I can at least be making 100,000, 10,000, something like that, man. So, we can leave our mark here, man, and you get your time back to enjoy with your family, friends, travel the world, do what you want to do, man. And I hope y'all take heed, man. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your week, man. I hope y'all take advantage of the setups, man. I hope y'all get this money, man. Join us in the Discord, man. We be doing live trades. Y'all come kick it with us, man. You know what I'm saying? And run it up with us, man. And like that, man, you already know what time it is, man. We finna get into it, and y'all enjoy y'all week, man, and we gonna get into it. Shit.
Bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. Never don't know if you don't go for it. You can get rich, you can stay broke. It ain't my business, nigga, that's your choice. You can get rich, you can stay poor. More to start, choice is yours. Hey, I ain't had no choice, I was forced. Choice is yours. But now I can choose, though, Choice is yours. I choose to get this money over everything, man. I wake up and at it every morning. Choice is yours. Rise and grind that cash, nigga. What you gonna do? Barbecue a meal, do. The choice is yours. You know what I'm saying? You gonna stay broke. The choice is yours. You gonna get some of this cash.
Man, the choice is yours, man. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, man, that's the end of the episode, man. Peace and love, man. And just like that.
And like that. We gone.
We gone, man. Y'all have a great week.
That's what I like.